Come and join me for a seafood dinner for What's for Dinner Tonight, featuring a Dollar Tree dishes and tablescape. Here are all the items from Dollar Tree. I got the bowls, big plates, medium plates, the shelf plates, some napkins, some placemats here and there, a tablecloth. My darlings, I just wanted to quickly say that majority of this is from Dollar Tree. Obviously the lantern isn't from Dollar Tree, and the cutlery are not from Dollar Tree, but I believe everything else you see, oh, and the glasses are not from Dollar Tree, but everything else you see is from Dollar Tree. Like the rope that I've got up on there is Dollar Tree, the signs are from Dollar Tree, the beach sign, those shell things are from Dollar Tree. These star, golden star candle holders are from Dollar Tree. And the candle and the battery operated candles are in there are from Dollar Tree. Okay, so come and join us for our seafood meal now, using mostly Dollar Tree items. So here is our first course of What's for Dinner Tonight in the seafood night, and I made this first time. This is my first time ever making clam chowder, and here's what it looked like, garnished up, what it looks like. But here's a closer look. I couldn't believe how easy this is to make. So it's not that hard, folks. Very easy. So I'm going to enjoy this, and then I'll be back with our second course. But this is my clam chowder soup.
Good.
And I also made us some garlic bread. Sorry, I already started to get into it before I forget to film it. So here's the garlic bread I made, and that's easy to do as well. So.
And it's just as good too.
Oh, thanks. So here is our second course. I made a Caesar salad, and I realize you put croutons in there. I didn't put any croutons. But this is our Caesar salad. So we're gonna have our second course now, and so far,
so good.
So good.
So
and
great.
I'm not just saying that; it is actually.
It is great.
Yeah. So
Wonderful.
we're gonna eat now. So this is the President's Choice seafood lasagna. You put it in the oven. It's made with sustainable source wild shrimp, lobster, and scallops. And my hubby and I have never had this, so we're going to try it. This is what we're going to have for our main course. A rich lasagna featuring all sustainable sourced wild seafood, shrimp and scallops, and a creamy lobster sauce with spinach and 3 layers of fresh tendered pasta. So that is going to be our main. Let me know if you've tried this and if you like it or not. So this is our third course. This is the seafood lasagna that's got this shrimp and the, apparently supposed to have lobster and scallops in it. My hubby's eating it and he seems to like it. It says it is kind of messy. I only have a piece because I'm not sure if there's onions in it and if I don't like it. But I'll let you know if I like it or not. But I'm going to try it. But hubby likes it. And it's from President's Choice. So here is our fourth meal of the night. This is our ice cream with a maple syrup.
My ice cream with maple syrup.
It's Rob's, sorry. And this is going to be mine. I thought he was going to help me with mine, but I guess not. Here's my mess with my dessert.
And mine is over here.
Yes, we saw yours.
Not with the red on.
But I put the red on it because it is actually Canada Day today. Happy Canada Day, everybody.
Happy Canada Day.
So this is what we're having for dessert on these awesome, I don't know if you can see it, but these awesome shell plates that I got at the Dollar Tree, as I already have said.
Yeah, they're nice. They turn color.
But I gotta go, so I'd like to wish upon a starfish that you all have a wonderful night. Good night.
Good night.
Happy eating. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I got in the frying pan here, I got some sausages chopped up with red pepper and some mushrooms. And in the back there, where I'm stirring here, I'm doing a sidekick pasta. It's sour cream and chives. So that's, and then in the microwave I've got some of these tomato sauce, beans and tomato sauce. So here's what I'm having for dinner tonight. The sausage and the beans with the red peppers and mushrooms. And I'll show you how my husband's turns out. And this is hubby's. This is how his turned out. The sidekicks. And I put the sausage and the pepper and the red pepper and the mushrooms and everything, mixed it in with the pasta. So that's what he's having. So my darlings, I just thought if you're looking for like a quick little summertime appetizers and you love sausages, the ones I have here is a mild Italian sausage. I like spicy sausage, but my hubby can't have that. But any type of sausage would do. I just thought this would, it's really quick. You just take the sausage and chop it up and then just fry it and then put little toothpicks in it and put it with your sauce that you'd like to dip it. Any sauce. That's just mustard sauce. You could do Dijon mustard. The granule mustard, it's a Dijon as well. But yeah, so this could be a nice little quick little appetizer if you have people all of a sudden dropping in or something like that and you have some sausages. You could just quickly cook them up and chop them and put them there, and then you can just dip them in the sauce. So I just wanted to share that with you. Just a summertime idea. Appetizer. So just a summertime idea. So I just wanted to share what I'm having for my lunch, my darlings. I made another salad for my lunch with some salmon again. I just love this. But this time I did shredded carrot. This is romaine lettuce with shredded carrot, some blue cheese crumbles, but you're not going to see the blue cheese because it's it's melted into the dressing or whatever. I did put some green olives in, and yeah, and then I just used some Caesar salad dressing for the dressing. So this is what I'm having for my lunch. Good. My summer sausage spinach wrap with some cheese, obviously spinach, some summer sausage, and hummus, and a little bit of Caesar dressing on a wrap. So I just wanted to share my cheese sauce that I made. It's very easy to do. You just need some butter, a little bit of flour, and some milk, and you make a roux. And then I put grated cheddar cheese in there, and this is my cheese sauce. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made another like poutine. This was the meat mixture was left over from our dinner last night from the burritos, and I just put it onto some fries, and I made you will have seen the cheese sauce I made, so I put it over top, and I grated cheese also onto the actual fries there. So, good. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hope you're having a good one. Hope you're eating lots of great food as well. Let me know down below what you're having for dinner. Love to hear. President's Choice Cookie Dough Ice Cream Bites. Vanilla chocolate chip ice cream wrapped in a classic cookie dough. You get 6. PC Cookie Dough Ice Cream Bites make eating ice cream fun without the mess. Instead of putting cookie dough pieces into ice cream, we took your 2 favorite treats and turned them inside out, creating a frozen bite-sized dessert of delicious ice cream wrapped in soft cookie dough, a pocket full of dreamy indulgence. Just quickly, I'd like to rate things here. I would give this a 10 out of 10. If you love cookie dough and you love ice cream and chocolate chip ice cream and cookie dough together, you'll love these. So my rating is a 10 out of 10. The only thing I would say that I don't like about this product is it's hard to get it out of the container. But other than that, I would purchase these again.